Hi, this is Jack Stanley, and I have a story to tell about this P, this Victor P phonograph, which is a very, very early one. If you look here, you'll see it's number 634, very early in the history of the P. But this is a very interesting P because its story is pretty interesting. This was originally in the Charlie Hummel collection, and it worked its way to me. And, it had some issues. It turns out that it didn't have like a spring that was working quite right. So I went and had the thing redone by the Dyslexic Genius, Hurt. And Brett's a great guy, I must tell you. If you need some work done, or you need a few things looked at and explained to you, it's really quite nice. He does things pretty simple and right in front of you. And so I sent it to him. Actually, he got it and showed me everything that was going on and how to fix this and fix that, which was really wonderful. And I learned an awful lot by watching. And so everything was fixed. And so he sent it back to me, packed it very nicely in a box, and it went by UPS. Well, I don't know what happened, but UPS either looked at the word fragile and took it for a bullseye or what. They beat the living daylights out of the box, smashed the box, and smashed up the P's motor. And so when it arrived in pieces. It's 5 o'clock. And so I called Brett right away and said, Brett, it's in pieces. And so he said, send it back to me. So I put it all together and put it in a box and sent it back to Brett. And he was going on a vacation for a month, so it would take a little while before he got to look at it again. In the meanwhile, a dear friend who is on YouTube here, and I really recommend that you take a look at his channel, Steve Charles. He is a new collector, and he's been collecting like crazy. He's got the bug really bad, and so he's been collecting this, that, and everything else. And so when he heard about my P, he contacted Brett and said, I'm sending you my P, and anything Jack needs from it, take it from my machine. That's really above and beyond, and that was just such a wonderful thing. I called him back, and he said, it's only a phonograph. And it was really sweet of him. And so through the help of Steve, we finally got everything together, and today the P has arrived. And I contacted Brett and let him know, and I'm trying to contact Steve and let him know and let him see the fruits of everybody's labor. And I have to say, thank you so much to both of these gentlemen. Do check out the Dyslexic Genius on YouTube. He's phenomenal and has great things to teach and show. And Steve Charles has got this wonderful new interview program where he's doing stuff with all kinds of people, including me. And so I recommend that you take a look. And when you do, by chance, talk to Steve. Send him a message and say thanks for being really nice. And send a message to Brett, the same thing. He really went out of his way to make sure this thing worked and got back together. And so I can't say more than thank you very much to both these gentlemen. And please visit their sites. Take a look at them. And with each of them, you'll learn something. I sure have. So thanks. Thanks to you both.